With some big news coming in, gruesome murder of a temple priest in Rajasthan, Karoli district. Temple priest allegedly set on fire by 5 people over land dispute in Rajasthan's Karoli. Temple priest there succumbing to those burn injuries in Jaipur's SMS hospital. Prime accused arrested. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot tweeted, and I quote, "Guilty won't be spared." Here's some breaking news coming in from Rajasthan. A temple priest has been brutally murdered. Gruesome murder of the temple priest in Rajasthan's Karoli district. The temple priest allegedly set on fire by 5 people over land dispute in Rajasthan's Karoli. The temple priest there succumbed to burn injuries in Jaipur's SMS hospital, and the prime accused has been arrested, while Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot says he's tweeted saying the guilty won't be spared. Let's take a listen to reactions pouring in.
निश्चित रूप से ये जो दुर्घटना हुई है, घटना हुई है, बड़ी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। राजस्थान में इस प्रकार की घटना होना अपने आप में एक मानवता को खत्म करने का प्रयास है। इस पूरे मामले में आज हमारी चर्चा हुई है और इसमें ये तय 5 बिंदु हमारे सामने रखे थे। इनके परिवारजनों की तरफ से 5 बातें रखी गई थी कि जो एसएचओ वहाँ लगा हुआ है वो जांच को प्रभावित कर रहा है, तो तुरंत प्रभाव से एसएचओ को हटाया जाए, जिसके लिए उन्होंने तैयारी कर दी है कि हटा दिया जाएगा। हमने कहा कि इसकी जांच डीवाईएसपी स्तर के अधिकारी से की जाए और जो इस सर्किल का नहीं हो, क्योंकि उस सर्किल के अधिकारी जांच को प्रभावित कर सकते हैं, तो वो उन्होंने मानी है। तीसरी हमारी डिमांड थी कि 50 लाख का मुआवजा इसके परिवार को मिले, तो वो 50 लाख की जगह उन्होंने कहा कि इसको लिख के देंगे मुख्यमंत्री को कि अधिक से अधिक इसका मुआवजा मिले। सरकारी नौकरी करने के लिए उन्होंने सहमति व्यक्त करी है। और 5वीं डिमांड थी कि इसी परिवार को सुरक्षा व्यवस्था मुहैया हो, क्योंकि परिवार बहुत डरा हुआ है।
जिस तरह का घटनाक्रम है उसमें एक चीज़ तो साफ है कि पुलिस पे भरोसा नहीं है। पुलिस पे भरोसा इसलिए नहीं है कि पुलिस लोकल एमएलए के दबाव में है, पुलिस प्रशासन वहाँ जो चाहता नहीं कि न्याय मिले उनके दबाव में है। इसलिए मुझे लगता है अगर इसमें न्याय की भी गुंजाइश कहीं बचती है तो उसकी न्यायिक जाँच करानी चाहिए। 48 घंटे घटना के हो गए, 6 अभियुक्त जिनको नामजद किया गया उनमें से 5 अभी भी फरार हैं, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि पुलिस इसमें कुछ करेगी। मुझे लगता है इसमें न्यायिक जांच की जरूरत है।
Cutting across to Dev Ankur joining us live for more details. Dev, take us through the severity of the crime here. Of course, the man has passed away. Unfortunate. 5 of them burnt him down alive. What next? What does the Rajasthan government plan to do? We already see that the prime accused has been arrested, but what about the other members?
Well, clearly in this case, Nabila, the Rajasthan Chief Minister has already mentioned that the accused will not be spared. But it is important to mention out here that the priest who was killed gruesomely in a very brutal manner 2 days ago, his body was burnt alive in Rajasthan's Karoli district. The matter pertains to land dispute. The priest of a temple in Karoli wanted to have some construction done on a piece of land in Karoli, but that was vehemently disputed by some other men, and that is how the dispute aggravated. The matter, took another turn. It escalated, and the priest was burnt in Karoli district. This happened 2 days ago. The Karoli SP has formed different teams. The main accused, it is important to mention out here, Kailash Meena has already been arrested in this case, whereas the teams have been formed to arrest other dispute. But it is also important to mention out here that there is no communal angle out here. There is no religious polarization or communal dispute out here. The matter pertains to land dispute, and the Karoli SP has maintained that teams have been formed, and probably sooner rather than later the other accused will also be arrested. Nabila?
Right. Dev, do stay with us. Let's quickly cut across to Rajvardhan Rathore speaking.
राजस्थान के अंदर आज कोई भी सुरक्षित नहीं है, न बच्चे, न महिलाएं, न पुजारी, न ही पुलिस का मनोबल गिरता जा रहा है। जो सरकार 5 सितारा होटल में रहकर महीनों तक रहती है, वो सिर्फ अपना बचाव कर सकती है, जनता का नहीं। और राजस्थान के जो मुख्यमंत्री है, जिन्होंने खुद किसी के लिए ये शब्द इस्तेमाल करे थे कि नकारा और निकम्मा, आज राजस्थान की कांग्रेस सरकार को इन शब्दों पर आत्मचिंतन की जरूरत है। इनके अघोषित या अर्धघोषित जो इनके अध्यक्ष हैं राहुल गांधी जी, जो बीजेपी शासित प्रदेशों के अंदर जो पॉलिटिकल पर्यटन करते हैं, वो पॉलिटिकल पर्यटन करना बंद करें और राजस्थान के ऊपर जरा फोकस करें। एक बार यहां पर भी आए और यहां जनता का हाल पूछें।
Going back to Dev Ankur, Dev, here we heard the BJP MP speak. He's saying, of course, The man's death can't be forgiven or forgotten. The Rajasthan government has to move forward quickly. There are a lot of developments that's coming in terms of voices against the government already with regards to the temple priest's death, saying that this case is not being focused upon.
Well, clearly in Rajasthan, there has been simmering political tension between the BJP and the Congress. The BJP has maintained that the likes of Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi have visited Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. But why did they not come to Rajasthan despite several incidents of alleged rape and sexual violence against women? Now, this has given probably another, opportunity to the BJP to hit out at the Rajasthan government. But the Rajasthan government, in turn, had been maintaining was that their leaders know about the situation because they have been passing on the feedback to their leaders and their leaders believe them. But if the BJP believes that there is something wrong going on, why is it that Amit Shah or JP Nadda or Narendra Modi not visiting Rajasthan and having a first-hand look at the situation for themselves? So clearly a lot of political slugfest going on and a lot of bickering and political squabble that has been going on in Rajasthan between the BJP and the Congress, and perhaps this gruesome murder of a priest in Rajasthan's Karoli has given the BJP another opportunity to hit out at the Ashok Gehlot government in Rajasthan.
Thank you very much for joining us with those details there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.